Question 3. Jo is a keen runner. She tracks each of her runs using an app on her phone, and the information about her last 4 runs is shown below. So we can look at the 4 runs. We can see when the date is, how far she ran, how many miles she ran, how long it took her in hours, minutes and seconds, and which was her fastest mile. So that's obviously she did 11 minutes 7 seconds, and that was one of the fastest miles that she ran. And you can see that you've got 4 days, different distances, different times, etc. So the first question says, in Jo's last 4 runs, what was the shortest distance that she ran? So the distances here are in the yellow ones, and so we've got to compare the size. 10 miles, 9.01 miles, 6.2 miles and 3 miles. So the shortest distance that she ran was 3 miles. Okay. Then it says, what is the longest distance that she ran? So we're looking for the largest value, which in this case would be 10. So her largest was 10 miles. Part B. Circle whether these true or false for each of the following statements about Jo's last 4 runs. So it says Jo ran for more than half an hour. So looking at her runs and the times, did she run more than 30 minutes on each one? Well, no, on this day she didn't, so that would be false. Jo ran a total of more than 25 miles. So again, looking back, you can see that she's did 10, plus 9 is 19, plus 6 is 25, and 20 minutes, plus 3 is 28. So she ran more than 25 miles. So let's look back at the question. Jo ran a total of more than 25 miles. That is true. Jo's fastest mile run was under 10 minutes. So again, we need to look at her fastest run was under 10 minutes. Well, you've got 11, you've got 12, you've got 11, and you've got 9. So this one actually is under 12 minutes, under 10 minutes. So we would write that one was true. And the last bit says Jo's furthest run took the longest time. The furthest run that she did was the 10 miles. And she did that in 1 hour and 54. But you can see here that when she did the 9 miles, she did it in 1 hour and 56, which is longer. Therefore, that is incorrect and false. On the 10th of May 2017, Jo set a target of 1 hour 45 minutes to complete her run. By how many minutes and seconds did Jo miss her target? So we're looking at the 10th of May. We're looking at the 10th of May. We can see that she did it in 1 hour 54.31. So she did it in 1 hour so that's what she did it in. Her target was 1 hour 45 minutes. So we're looking to see the difference between the two. Well, to get from 45 to 54 would be an extra 9 minutes. And the 31 seconds. So that is the extra 9 minutes, 31 seconds.